The pattern library inside Explorer is deep, and we are continually expanding it. It contains not only formal grammar patterns, but also idioms and slang and newly coined words, also called neologisms. For example, here's a sentence with an idiomatic pattern, 머리가 가볍다. Explorer recognizes it and marks it up here, since idiomatic patterns can span many regular patterns in the sentence. Click on it to get the derivation and other usage notes. Here's a sentence with the neologism 남사친. Explorer has recognized it, and drilling into it gives you an explanation of the new word's meaning and shows how it was derived from parts of words in the original phrase 남자 사람 친구. It is our hope to teach Explorer all the common idioms and neologisms, and with your help and feedback, we'll keep it constantly up to date.